Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. In this video, I will solve next problem of journal entry. This problem is without goods and service tax, without GST. Following transaction of Ramesh for April 2018 are given below. Journalize them. On 1st April, Ramesh started business with cash 1 lakh rupees. We will pass entry cash account debit to Ramesh capital account. On April 2, paid into bank to cash 20,000. April 3, bought goods for cash, entry purchases to cash 50,000. On April 4, drew cash from bank for office use, cash account debit to bank 10,000. April 13, sold goods to Krishna on credit, Krishna to sales 15,000. April 20, bought goods from Shyam on credit, purchases to Shyam 22,500. April 24, received from Krishna and allowed him discount. Then entry cash account debit, discount account debit to Krishna. In cash account debit, we will write 12,500 and discount account allowed debit, we will pass 500 to Krishna 13,000. April 28, paid cash to Shyam and received discount. Shyam account debit to cash 21,500 to discount 1,000, and in Shyam account debit in debit column we will pass 22,500. On April 28, Krishna returned goods. Here Mr. Ramesh sold goods to Krishna. That means when Krishna returned goods, that is related to sales, and entry will be passed sales return account debit to Krishna 2,000. April 30, cash sales for month, cash to sales 80,000. April 30, paid rent account debit to cash 5,000. Paid salary on April 30, salary account debit to cash. Now you can see these entries in explanation with the journal entry passed. On 1st April, cash to capital because Ramesh started business with cash. On April 2, bank account debit to cash, being cash paid into bank. April 3, purchases account debit to cash because purchase goods for cash. April 4, cash account debit to bank because withdraw the cash from bank for office use. April 13, Krishna account debit to sales, sold goods to Krishna on creditor. April 20, purchases account debit to Shyam, goods purchased from Shyam on creditor. April 24, cash account debit, discount account debit to Krishna, and cash account debit 12,500, discount allowed account debit 500 to Krishna 13,000. April 28, Shyam account debit to cash account to discount received. Shyam account debit 22,500 to cash 21,500 to discount received 1,000. And April 28, goods returned by Krishna and sales return account debit to Krishna 2,000. April 30, cash account debit to sales 80,000. April 30, two transactions happen combinedly. Rent account debit, salary account debit 5,000, 10,000 and to cash 15,000. Being rent and salary were paid on the 30th April. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share my channel for next videos.